Today, we'll be working with the touch tablet. You'll be using the touch tablet to know if something is rough or smooth. Now let's see. The touch tablet aims to teach children how to classify items within their environment. This means you will be able to know if something is smooth or rough using the touch tablet. The touch tablet focuses on the tactile sense of touch and isolates the concept of rough and smooth. This gives you the ability to know if something is rough, smooth. For example, cream is smooth, while stone is rough. Touch each board one at a time using right index finger. This means when you're working with the touch tablet, you need to use your index finger and also your middle finger. Now, let's work with the touch tablet. First, you get your touch tablet from the resource room. You can see I'm getting my touch tablet from the resource room, and you hold it like this. You don't need to hold it at the bottom, but you hold it at the side. Now my touch tablet is on the rug. Let's put them on the rug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make sure you arrange them carefully on the rug. 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. You can see I've carefully arranged my touch tablet on the rug. Then you put the box aside. First, you get one touch tablet, then you feel it with your index finger and also with your middle finger. Then you get another touch tablet, you feel it also to know if it's rough or smooth with the other tablet. This one is not rough, so we get another one to feel if it's the same rough with the other tablet at the side. Both of them, they are rough, so we'll keep them at the side. Then we'll get another tablet. This one is smooth, so we'll look for other tablets that is smooth. This one is not smooth, so we keep it aside. We get the one that is smooth. Both of them are smooth, so we also keep them aside. Then we get another touch tablet to feel. You can see I'm using my index and my middle finger to feel the touch tablets. Now both of them are rough, so we'll keep it aside with the rough tablets. Then we also get another tablet and feel. You can see I'm feeling it. These tablets, they are not the same, so we'll get another one and feel. After feeling, we get another one, they are not the same. So we also feel it again to see. Both of them are smooth. So we get another tablet. Make sure you feel with your index and your middle finger. Don't forget. We feel both touch tablets. Both of them are rough. So this is how we work with the touch tablet using our index finger and middle finger. It's question time! Yay! The question for today is identify the material. We have color tablet, barric tablet, fabric box, touch tablet. I want you to put your answers in the comment section. We've come to the end of this class. Can't wait to see you in my next class. Bye for now.